Hi guys, this is Hustle and Teach, and in this video, we're going to help you make money online. You want to learn to make money online and some extra income. So that's what we do, share videos, and that's exactly what I want to learn how to do to make money. So I'm going to share this video, this websites with you that I think are very good for some extra income. So let's get into the video now. All right, so the first site we have on the list is QMe. It helps you take surveys. It helps you make money by games, offers, and even cash back. So it may not be a lot of money, but it surely adds up. The next website is called Quick Thoughts. Quick Thoughts is a survey website. You can do it on your phone, get paid with PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon gift card. Finally, you have Amazon Flex, where you can use your truck, car, and you can deliver packages, get paid for it. You can go around like working for Amazon, but you get paid just to deliver. You can get the app on your phone, and that's another way you can make some income. And so that's all we're showing you how to do in this video today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. It was a lot of packed information, but it's really quickly done. So I think that I'll make more in the future like these videos. Hopefully if you guys like these videos, then we're going to make some more. You guys can comment, you can subscribe, and tell me what you think that I should put in these videos. But for the next part, we're going to go a little more in depth before this video ends with a little more pointers on these websites. So let's get started right now. So with Quick Thoughts, you can use that website just to take some surveys. And with QMe, you can use that website to cash out to PayPal. Everybody loves cashing out to PayPal. Let's go ahead and look at the last site, which I mentioned was Amazon Flex. Now this is a way to sign up. So how you sign up? You just go ahead to the Amazon Flex website. You're gonna need to download the app on your phone. Once you get that app, then you can do the application. Once you get approved for the program, and then all you do is drop off the packages. So you're gonna get book slots. And every time you take a slot, you're gonna go into that slot, drop off the package, follow the instructions, and then get paid every 2 weeks for the Amazon Flex program. Like the surveys you can get paid to do, and all you do is answer simple questions. And QMe pays you every time, like $1 for a survey, sometimes $1.25. And it really just depends on the length of the survey and the reward they will pay you out for that survey you take. But it's easy. You can do it anywhere on your phone. You could be at home or not at home and still take the survey. And basically the same thing goes for Quick Thoughts. It's just another survey site. This one is only done on mobile. You can't do it on your PC. With QMe, you can do it on your PC, but Quick Thoughts you can't do on your PC, but you can still make some good money from it. And it's the same way. And instead, you can instantly cash out to PayPal. And you can also cash out to Amazon, iTunes, whatever your choice reward is, you can cash out. It's that simple, guys. And before we go, I just want to explain to you guys how cashback works. So cashback works when you go shopping online. Basically works just how they said. You go to a website, you make a purchase, and you get a percentage back on that purchase that you just made. So we have a couple of websites we're just going to run over real quick. If you don't want to use QMe, you can use sites like Rakuten and many other ones. And those are how they work. All right. And now for the final part of this video, I got to ask you guys this. And I really would like if you guys invest. No, I wasn't going to say that. I was going to say subscribe to the channel. But investment is good, and investing is a good way to save some money for the long term, guys. So, like, they have sites like Coinbase that helps you invest your money and stake your Bitcoin, and you can just start investing. And I can make a whole tutorial on that later if you guys want. But for now, I'll just keep this short and say make sure you make some investments for when you make that money in the websites I mentioned. Work on investing. Remember that. We have Robinhood as well, just to mention. Well, that is it. So if you like this video and you want to see more ways to make money online, then consider subscribing to the channel. If you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. Hit that comment button, hit that like button, and that's all for today.